We're here on the beautiful Sun Princess, and we're going to give you guys a tour and an update about what's kind of been happening with Sun Princess's Park 19. Park 19 was meant to be like a family-friendly, more adventure-y kind of area, but it was scrapped before it even launched. So let's go take a look at what has changed. So at this part of it, there's like these, what was supposed to be like a splash zone kind of thing. We have not seen this on in any way, but there are towels, so I don't know if they ever have plans on having this actually go, but it doesn't seem like it. This is also where they had the dry slides that are no longer here, so not quite sure how this will differ on Star Princess, since this part isn't even going to be designed on there. So it'll be interesting to see what they do. Ooh, I'm falling. Do on Star Princess instead of having this kind of area. So like I said, haven't seen this on. Haven't heard about it being on, but there is water, so maybe it does at some point. I don't know.
The main middle area hasn't changed too much. There is some seating to sit down and relax. There are some hammocks. You have some board games like chess, Connect 4. There's some beanbag toss and some kids' bikes as well. And beside that, you do have the basketball court.
So these stairs here are going to lead up to like the roller climber and
both of those which are shut down and no longer usable.
Princess is not their style. I don't know how else to put it. Demographic, that's not at least from what I like and what I've seen from other people. It was just so different from any other princess ship, and it was not well received by most people. So there's some debate of whether or not why Princess decided to change it up here. Princess's formal statement is that they could not pass safety, but a lot of people are saying that like they basically realized that nobody wanted this, and so they couldn't get the safety, they couldn't get the stuff done in time. So instead of continuing to work on something that no one really wanted, they decided just to axe it. But it will be very interesting on the Star Princess to see what exactly will end up happening with Park 19, since they haven't built the ship, finished building the ship yet, so they have that ability to change that. Also be interesting to see if at some point if the Star Princess goes into dry dock to do a bigger refurbishment, what they will change up here. If they will gut a lot of the stuff and take a lot of stuff down, or if they're just like, we'll just leave it how it is. So there you have it. There is a look at all the changes that have happened. Let me know in the comments below if you like these changes or if you wish they had kept more of the adventure-y kind of stuff. And I'll see you guys later.